What's the meaning of bohemian? Bohemian. Bohemian.
Bohemian. Bohemian. Bohemian refers to a person who is unconventional, free-spirited, and often artistic or literary. Bohemians reject traditional social norms and values in favor of expressing their individuality and creativity. The term originated in France in the 19th century and has since been associated with various subcultures, including artists, writers, musicians, and actors who lead nonconformist lifestyles. A bohemian lifestyle can involve living frugally, traveling frequently, and engaging in alternative forms of work and leisure. Ultimately, the term represents a rejection of mainstream culture and a celebration of individualism, freedom, and creativity.